guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a scavenger hunt. Here's the list of things to find. We're going to try to find one of everything.
Charlotte, I don't want to find a snake.
Oh, it'll be fun.
Yeah, you're right. Let's go.
Vámonos, amigos! So sad. I can't believe someone do that. There's a big stick. We should take that as a big stick.
You know I'm videoing right now, right?
Don't. Can't imagine how many ticks.
Hey, Char, we found everything except for the snake and bee.
That's great. Hope y'all enjoyed. Like and subscribe for more.